Now practice set 4.2. First sum, we have to construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. So here is a circle with center P and you have to draw the ray PM, and from point M you have to draw line L which is perpendicular to segment PM. So segment PM is perpendicular to line L, that is tangent theorem, and the perpendicular to segment PM at point M will give the required tangent. So from point M which we draw perpendicular is the tangent to the circle. Now there is two ways of drawing the tangent to the circle. One is using the center of the circle and the second one is without using the center of the circle. It will be mentioned in the question that you have to draw a tangent without using the center of the circle. The first question is based on using the center of the circle. Now what is the radius over here? 3.2. So take the measurement 3.2 and then draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. And from P, this is your center P, from P you will draw a ray PM. So this is your P and point M, we have to take it on the circle. So we will take on the ray PM, the point M, and from M now we have to draw a tangent perpendicular to PM. So keep it on M and draw two arcs on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Then keep it on the arc which we have drawn and take more than half the measurement of this length, more than half the measurement of this length between these two arcs, and draw an arc on the top and draw an arc at the bottom. Now keep the rounder on the other arc which is on the left hand side and draw an arc over here and draw an arc over here. Rub off the unnecessary part of the arc to make your diagram look very neat and tidy. Now draw a perpendicular joining the intersection of the two arcs, and it has to pass through point M. This is your line L which is perpendicular to ray PM. Line L which is perpendicular to segment PM, the radius is how much? 3.2 centimeter. This is a rough diagram. So this is how you are supposed to draw a tangent to the circle using the center of the circle. एग्जाम में जब भी आएगा तो इसके ऊपर ध्यान देना है कि उन लोग ने क्या लिखा है, यूजिंग द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल कि विदाउट यूजिंग द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. Without using the center of the circle, it will be mentioned in the question. And if you have to draw a using the center, they will give the radius and the center, name of the center, and you have to draw the tangent this way. Now sum number 2, draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter and draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it. So this is a rough diagram like the previous sum only, you have to draw over here also. In the previous sum, the name of the center was given as P and the point on the circle was given as M. So if it is mentioned in the question, you have to take the same point which is mentioned in the question. The name of the point should be same only. Here it is not mentioned, so you can take the name of the center as anything, and the point which is taken on the circle also you can name it as per your wish. So we have taken the center as O and point on the circle as M, and through ray OM we have to draw the line L perpendicular. Now take the measurement of radius 2.7 and then draw a circle. Same like the previous sum, you have to draw. Analysis also is same, only you have to draw segment OM perpendicular to line L by tangent theorem. So the perpendicular to segment OM at point M will give the required tangent. Now from O you draw a ray OM. This is point M, and through M we have to draw the tangent perpendicular to the radius. This is also like the first method, only using the center of the circle. So draw two arc, then take the measurement more than half between the two arc, that is distance between the two arc, whatever is the distance, more than half that you have to take, and draw one arc on the top and draw one arc at the bottom. Then keep it on the O, point O, and draw another arc from top, on the top as well as at the bottom. Wherever both the arcs intersect, wherever it meets through that particular point is your tangent. So wherever the two arcs intersect, through that two points, intersection point, and from point M the line should pass. So this is your line L, which is perpendicular to ray OM. The radius is how much? 2.7 centimeter, and this is perpendicular. The tangent from point M is perpendicular to the radius OM. Now this is a third sum. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter and then draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. This is very important. If it is mentioned without using the center, you are supposed to draw the tangent this way. So in order to draw a tangent without using the center, first draw the circle, then draw a chord BK, and then draw this acute angle triangle. Take any point A on the circle and draw the triangle, and measure this angle and draw another angle over here through which the line L will pass, which is a tangent to the circle. According to the tangent secant angle theorem, this and this angle, that is angle BAK and angle BKR, should be equal. So based on this is this diagram. So without using the center, always draw the tangent this way. So you have to write the analysis as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, line L is a tangent. Line L is a tangent to the circle, is a tangent to the circle at point K. At point K, segment BK is a chord, segment that is this way, segment BK is the chord, of the circle and angle BAK, that is this angle BAK. Angle BAK is an inscribed angle. inscribed angle by tangent secant theorem, by tangent secant theorem, angle BAK, that is this angle BAK is equal to angle BKR, is equal to angle BKR by converse of tangent secant, by converse of tangent secant, tangent secant angle theorem, if we draw angle BKR, if we draw angle BKR, that is this angle BKR, such that angle BKR is equal to angle BAK. So this angle and this angle is equal. Then ray KR, then ray KR, that is this ray KR, that is line L. So I have taken over here line L. So ray KR and line L is the same thing. So that is line L is a tangent at point K, is a tangent at point K. We have to first draw the chord, first draw the circle, then draw the chord BK, and from this chord draw an inscribed angle BAK, and then measure this angle, and same measurement you should take over here, that is your tangent touching at the point K. Now we will construct the diagram. First draw the circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. First draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Then draw chord BK. Now here the measurement of chord is not given, so you can draw any measurement chord. So draw BK. According to our diagram, BK is a chord. Then draw an inscribed angle BAK. So anywhere you take point A and draw a triangle or inscribed angle BAK. After drawing the triangle, we have to measure this angle. Of the same measurement angle we have to take over here also. So with the help of any measurement, draw an angle over here, draw an arc over here. With the same measurement, keep it on the point K and draw an arc. Now measure the angle. Measure the angle of the same measurement by keeping on the chord BK, where the arc has intersected the chord BK. Keep it over there and then draw an arc. Now join where the two arcs intersect and the point K. That is your tangent RK. KR, not ray KR is the tangent. Let us name this tangent as L. So this is how you are supposed to draw the tangent of a circle without using the center. So without using the center, if it is mentioned in the question, you are supposed to draw the circle, then draw the chord, and then take any point on the circle and connect the chord on to that particular point and draw an inscribed angle with the same measurement measurement. Draw another angle over here, that is your tangent, required tangent. Now the fourth sum, draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeters. So you have to draw a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter and draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 centimeter, and then draw tangents to the circle from both the points, that is from the point P and Q. Write your observation about the tangent. So analysis, this is same like the first sum. Using the center you have to draw the two tangents, but here you have to draw two tangents on this side as well as on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side. That means at the end of P, chord PQ, P and Q of chord PQ. So analysis, like the first sum, segment OP is perpendicular to line L, that is this line from the tangent passing through point P, and segment OQ is also perpendicular to line M, so this one that is passing through the point Q. Why? Reason what will write, tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. So perpendicular to segment OP and segment OQ at points P and Q. So segment OP and segment OQ at the points P and Q respectively will give the required tangents at point P and Q. Now here radius is equal to, they had given radius is equal to how much? 3.3 centimeter. Therefore diameter will be how much? Diameter will be equal to 2 into 3.3, that's equal to 6.6 centimeter. That means chord PQ, the length of chord PQ is how much? 6.6 centimeter. Therefore PQ must be the diameter of the circle. Therefore chord PQ is the diameter of the circle. Therefore the tangents through point P and Q through points P and Q are parallel to each other. So this is the observation we will get by looking at the diagram. Parallel to each other. We have studied before in our earlier standard, if two lines are perpendicular to the same segment, that is PQ, then they should be parallel to each other. So this is the diagram when two lines which is perpendicular to segment PQ, both are perpendicular to the same segment PQ, then line L and line M should be parallel to each other. And since the length of PQ is 6.6 centimeter and the radius is 3.3 centimeter, so PQ has to be the diameter of the circle. Now we will construct the circle and the tangent. Now take radius 3.3 centimeter. Now this is same like the first sum, but you have to draw two tangents, that's all. So this is a circle of radius 3.3 centimeter. Now just now I told you PQ is the diameter of the circle. So draw PQ passing through the center. passing through the center. And extend the diameter outside. Let us take the center as O. Now take the rounder. This is your PQ, P and Q. From both P and Q you have to draw a tangent. So keep at point P and draw two arcs. Then draw from here also. Now keep once over here and draw an arc more than half the distance between the two arcs, and draw an arc on the top and draw an arc on the bottom. Same way over here, keep once over here the rounder and draw an arc on the top and draw an arc at the bottom. Then keep the once over here and draw an arc on the top as well as at the bottom. Same like the first sum, but you will have to draw two tangents from the endpoints P and Q. An unwanted part of the arcs, you can remove that to make your diagram look neat and tidy. Now connect this. So this is the required diagram. This is your line L. This is your line M. 3.3 centimeter is the radius. This is P. This is perpendicular line L, and this is perpendicular from point Q. So this is how we are supposed to draw the diagram. Now fifth sum, you have to draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. I have already drawn the circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Then you have to draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter in it and construct tangent. Means you have to draw a chord over here and MN, and from M also you have to draw a tangent, and from N also you have to draw a tangent using the center. So using the center of the circle we have to draw this tangent. It is same like the first sum only thing you have to draw two tangents, and you have to draw the chord, and from the endpoints of the chord you have to draw the tangent. So method is same like the first sum, except we have to draw two tangents from the endpoints of the chord. Now segment, we already know that segment OM, that is a radius, is perpendicular to tangent, and segment ON is also perpendicular to the tangent. Let us take this as line OM is perpendicular to line L, and ON is perpendicular to line M. So change this. I have written L, it is M. It is line M. The perpendicular to segment OM and segment ON at point M and N respectively will give the required tangent at the point M and N. Now I have already drawn the circle. Now draw the chord of measurement 5.7 centimeter. Either you can use the rounder and draw the chord, or you can directly measure 5.7. So this is a chord of measurement 5.7 centimeter. 5.7 centimeter, chord M, N. This is the center of the circle. From the center, draw the radius passing through point M and extend it further. Same way from center and from point N, draw the radius and extend it further. Let us take this as point O. Now take the rounder, keep it on the point M once, and draw an arc over here and draw an arc over here. Same way, keep it on point N, draw an arc over here and draw an arc over here. Like the first sum, we have to draw the tangent using the center of the circle. Now take the measurement more than half the distance of this two arcs. More than half of the distance between these two arcs. So we'll take this much measurement, then keep once on this arc and draw a tangent up, draw an arc on the top and draw an arc at the bottom, not tangent, arc. Then keep another time over here on the other arc and draw a arc at the top as well as bottom. Remove the unnecessary part of the arc which is not required. Now draw a tangent from point M passing through this point and this point. So this is a line L which is a tangent from the point M of the chord. Now keep once over here. Here also take more than half the distance measurement and then draw an arc on the top and at the bottom. Same way, keep it over here and draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. If it doesn't meet, make it meet. Remove the unwanted part of the arc. Take the point where the two arcs intersect. Take this point and it should pass through point N. So this is your second tangent, that is M, from the point N. The radius is how much? 3.4 centimeter. So ON is perpendicular to line M and OM is also perpendicular to line L. So these are the two tangents drawn from point M and point N of the chord MN. That is, line L is a tangent and line M is a tangent. Line L is a tangent at the point M and line M is a tangent at the point N. Now sum number 6 of practice set 4.2, analysis. Now point Q, according to the figure, point Q lies in the exterior of circle with a center P. So point Q is lying in the exterior of the circle with center P, and ray QR and ray QS is the tangent, are the tangents to the circle, Now seg PR is perpendicular to ray QR and seg PS is perpendicular to ray QS. Why? Tangent theorem. Therefore triangle PRQ and a triangle PSQ have a common hypotenuse. Which is that common hypotenuse? PQ. They have a common hypotenuse PQ. Therefore, we have to draw a circle with a diameter PQ which intersects the circle with center P at a point R and S. So what is the meaning of that? Ray QR and ray QS is a tangent to the circle, and segment PR radius है, इसके लिए PR is always perpendicular to ray QR, and PS is also radius, so PS is also perpendicular to ray QS. We know that radius are always perpendicular to the tangent, so according to tangent theorem. And triangle PRQ and triangle PSQ both have a common hypotenuse, that is PQ. So using PQ as a diameter, draw the circle which intersects the circle with center P at the point R and S. So the required tangent is what? Ray QR and ray QS. Therefore, ray QR and ray QS are the required tangents. Are the required tangents. Now let us construct these two tangents from the exterior point Q. Now how to draw a tangent from an external point of a circle. Now this here, the sixth sum, the measurement of the radius is equal to how much? 3.4 centimeter. So measure 3.4 centimeter in a rounder and draw a circle. Draw a circle of measurement 3.4 centimeter from the center P. Let us name the center of this circle as P. Now from the center P, measure 5.5 centimeter chord. A point should be 5.5 centimeter from the center. .5 centimeter from both the end. From P and Q, distance between P and Q is how much? 5.5 centimeter. Now take measurement half of PQ in the rounder and then draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. Now keep it on point P and draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. See that both the arcs should intersect each other. Now wherever the two arcs intersect each other, draw a line passing through those intersecting point of the arcs. And this line, that is where it intersects a segment PQ, name it as M, and M is a midpoint of PQ. PQ is a diameter of a circle, and with PM as a radius, draw a circle with PM as a radius, draw a circle, and it should intersect this circle. No need of drawing the full circle, just make it sure that it intersects the circle at 2 points, here also as well as here also. From this point, draw a tangent. Same way from this point, draw a tangent. So two tangents can be drawn from the external point. Let us name this as R and this as S. This is perpendicular. The distance between this is how much? 5.5 centimeter. So the distance is how much? 5.5 centimeter, and the radius is how much? 3.4 centimeter. This is the radius. So this is how we are supposed to draw a tangent from an external point touching this circle at point R and S. Now sum number 7, over here the radius is 4.1 centimeter and the distance between PQ is how much? 7.3 centimeter. So analysis will remain same, only according to the figure point Q is in the exterior of the circle with center P, and ray QR and ray QS are the tangents to the circle, and segment PR is perpendicular to ray QR at the point R, and PS is perpendicular to ray QS at the point S. We know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So according to tangent theorem, both the radius, that is this radius is perpendicular to this tangent and this radius is perpendicular to this tangent. and both the triangle, that is PRQ and PSQ, have a common hypotenuse, that is PQ, and using the PQ as a diameter we have to draw a circle which intersects this circle at point R and S. So ray QR and ray QS is a required tangent of the circle. So method analysis is same, only the distance between PQ and the radius is different. Rest all will remain same. Now sum number 7. Sum number 7 is also same like sum number 6. You have to draw a tangent from an external point. So let us take, I have already drawn the circle of radius. Radius is how much? 4.1 centimeter. So let us take the center as P. From P you measure 7.3 centimeter. The external point is at a distance of how much? 7.3 centimeter. So this is your point Q. So point Q is an external point of at what distance? 7.3 centimeter. And from this external point you have to draw two tangents. So first you will find out the midpoint of the segment PQ. So in order to find out the midpoint of segment PQ, take a distance more than half of the distance of PQ and draw an arc on the top as well as at the bottom. Then keep at the point P and draw an arc at the top and at the bottom. Rub off the unwanted part of the arc which is not required, and then draw a line perpendicular passing through both this point, that is this point and this point where the two arcs intersect. This is a perpendicular and this is a point M, which is a midpoint of segment PQ. It is a midpoint of segment PQ. So M is a midpoint of segment PQ. PQ का midpoint है M और ये M ऐसा center लेके और radius PM, either PM नहीं तो QM, कितना भी same ही है क्योंकि वो midpoint है. तो PM का radius measurement कितना रहना चाहिए? PM. Take PM as a radius and draw a circle passing through the center. Passing through the center of this circle. You no need of drawing. पूरा सर्कल बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जहाँ पे ये सेकेंड सर्कल पहला वाला सर्कल को कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट करता है वहाँ तक बनाएगा तो बस हो गया. Because we have to draw the tangent from this point and this point. If you want you can draw the full circle also, but it is not necessary. So this is your point R and this is the point S. Now from Q and R you have to draw a tangent. So this is one of the tangent from the external point from the point R where this circle intersects. Now second one you have to draw from point Q and S. Join the point Q and S. So this is the second tangent from the point S which is touching the circle. The distance between this is how much? 7.3 centimeter. That is distance between P and Q. And radius is equal to how much? 4.1 centimeter. So this is a radius. And this is the distance between the P and Q. PQ is equal to how much? 7.3 centimeter. So this is the way you are supposed to draw the two tangents from an external point which is outside the circle.